70s. So time na me a young guy. In fact, late 70s. No jina ne naso ye pa. Oba Ghana nyina na ne ya to yembo ase ewrewre mu a chese ye de ne ho information nyina bro e wo show no eso. Enti before that no last week that human to me amekan ho by ne nyame adom waba. And then so ye wo Mr. Brown e wa ye hwe ni mu se TI e ba be join na afi boys and our YOC omon so atimi abekan. I think say YOC atu kwan on to me but boys there ye hwe na nim say oba bekan ho. Make out say dwumadie e live e wo Facebook Sompa 93.1 Sompa TV Ghana oba ho a obetimi ahwe bi afi YouTube nso e live e wo ho Sompa TV Ghana ene videos ayede ba no ya na me ya say unhwe TV no, but I think say wow kita smartphone bia quickly no obetimi a log on to our Facebook page now so wahwe dwumadie ni live because utie na wo hwe bibia ya na ahomuka wo mdan say utie nkwa because videos na betwa gu no say wanya bi anhwe a ye kan nsem no ya na unhu se na yesi kan no wonte asie yie enti first segment no ye behwe ye video of the day ye wia na ya bobo ho ne ya bia homa na ma ya hwefo ne ya tiefo nso de omadwenkyere afa video no ho anase omadwenkyere wo video no mo de aba na ye wia na afi ye stories a na watwin ya boabo ano no ye jamu ede amamo enanyumre yima ken wicked king odwin se minim wono no ye director oni Buffalo enti the wicked king se wo ho a ye video of the day no bomodia na piamaye na yenhwe bomodia na piamaye na yenhwe na mamenchia eye Luther King ni din misime Luther Queen mamu nyina hema no boye bema enti Luther King so akopie mu ewo abuadunkwa wo hwe dwumadie no ewo Royal Barbering Shop Wicked King ye try your video no enti Luther mechiao bibri mechiao pa ye hwe ye video no na afi ye mbobo ho na ye nhwe all right ye video no enie ye video na ne in fact one man mehwe bia ko hwe akra ne nse ode ye ntie nwie
aba ne se mehu so papa ne ko wi aponche no
baja me apajino aya mo ba ye fu mu ono ana ka se aya obeku aponche ne ba ku anjino me ko jale ya me ba ye no oku aponche na wa tutu na o ye no oni blano
na adenti na ukoko bo wo bia manipa no mu wi na aponche na mane wo papa ku aponche wo so wi bi adenti na akoba amane
baja obo masum ana mezumi ko kaya
na aponche no wi bi
baja
wo bi pra wo na ede na wa wi adenti na akoko ba amane
obo me na mezumi ko kaya
yo enti yesi a papa wo hefa
baja ona dia mi ntre be bia o
na se wi aponche ni bi dia wo so police fo ba chi wo wo ho de
baja
enti yesi a wo papa ye dwane wo wote hefa
baja mi cha panjura ninja
yesi a wo cha panjura ninja wo
baja
yo eni e krache medase papa wate kwaso aye adwuma pa bo man Ghana enya nipa se be 10 wa Ghana anka Ghana nkoro no ntimi nkwaso akwara se ne papa kwakwa wi apanche wa kwakwa ba panche
Sompa FM
aba ne se mehu so papa ne kwa wi apanche no
baja me apajino aya mo ba ye fu mu ono ana ka se aya obeku aponche ne ba ku anjino me ko jale ya me ba ye no oku aponche na wa tutu na o ye no oni blano
na adenti na ukoko bo wo bia manipa no mu wi na apanche na mane wo papa ku apanche wo so wi bi adenti na akoba amane
baja obo masum ana mezumi ko kaya
na apanche no wi bi
baja
wo wi bi pra wo na ede na wa wi adenti na akoba amane
obo me na mezumi ko kaya
yo enti yesi a papa wo hefa
baja ona dia mi ntre be bia o
na say we appointini bi dia won so police for be chi wo
Sompa FM.
wo ho de
Aja.
nti se sia wo papa ye dwane wo wote hefa
Aja.
All right, enti me pacho bra Facebook na be share sa video we bi.
Jiru an nche wo
Na wo hwe boy no nense. In fact, aponche no wo ba Facebook na be hwe a boy no kuta opportunity.
wa Ghana
As aponche ne papa de nitin ne ma no. But asumbo no bro boy na ho odin so. Enne ye ne ya okokan ye. Na de enti enne ya piki sa video we ni say. Ye wa akura bi wo ho a obi be hwe ne maame ni timi catch akra ne say catch nipa ne say minni ho. Obeti o me maame say me kan control say oni ho. Enti sa video we etwa masum na mse no. Yemfa mra na yenhwe say abofra no waye bone. Say o papa ko wia obi aponche.
Sompa FM.
Na aponche no papa kunu dia bon kwan. Okura na wi ni ti no. Na waye bone na o papa tia wo a. Wako nipa no wako bona mane say o papa na wi ana ponche no. Na de emi yakra ne say ote hia o so ote aponche ru ani fie. Hey. Boy we oba Ghana no be amanyo se ma ye ho be kire ye pa o. Eye serious. Enti Mamene Brown shase. Brown, mame mo akwaba.
Big boss, meje so.
Se bibi aboko de.
Oh, nyame adaroma. Ahwe yi ni ahode.
Enye izo. Mame sama dachi ma akwaba. Dachi ma. Hey, oba panie. Ahofe na adware usei. Oba kra ma hu o. Why kese. Hey. Ai. Minka say obesed. Nzo obesed na enye. But why kese. All right. Mamene Brown shase. Brown. Video no. Ohwe bi. The course wo TV. Then I can found.
General Medawase, ye be ma Ghana fo nyina.
Sompa FM.
Eni asanteman. Ai video dey e asemo na we dey. Ha, we mama ka ba se mi o chabai. Akura bi na u se na one ne ma me na na eti na. Omo sorry anopa na ne ma me prada akwa yi aso dey.
Okay.
E na ma mi bo na osi ntina enu ana one da mo ku ompa ne so no.
Hey. Na so omo ku anaju no nyina na wotie. Onim se no so ye mpanyimfo ntokwa.
Because papa you nim se wa ko wi aponche.
Oh.
Aponche akofo ye nya wa ponche.
Enye wa ponche.
Uko bo akola ya dey.
Sakura na ya so den. Enti papa yes anti mom montian.
Sompa Xtra.
Eh problem.
Very funny but
Extra.
ko ya di akora ya ye dia. I think say sa akora we oye politics o man be ko so pa.
Samum.
Seriously.
Obeka no cre. No
No
corruption.
No corruption.
Wanye ni bibi onka on.
Onka.
Eh.
But papa say papa na mbo ne dia anka onka say.
Yeah.
Aponchi bi wo baby o. But papa de bo na straight forward said no.
No,
So
okay.
I me dia aponchi ni ya wia nti
Yeah,
ko
me koka.
nti akora de ade awa ye dia me
Oka we as well sante papa ni fi aponjiru ani
so
fi.
papa de be say abo no nti me make sure say bia be
Papa ne ya beche no. Once o se papa ne ya che no. Bo onim ba bia ne papa wo. Aponjiru anache ne papa. Enti ni papa de odemo mai. Enti boy ne ti aponjiru ani fi.
case ne ho case ne because
Enti o banka oba de na adbe no.
oh me ba kra ka be say abo na ba so
Sa waya de
oh
o.
yeah akra na ya de because say katasu mu aso bia ma wi ase na oman bo
Yeah.
what I say
Yeah.
so hu no kra na ya wa gen say no kra no onka e ya wa nkasa otobre ma ho
Yeah.
what I say
Yeah.
because papa na nkasa wo wani tua say ade a kwakofo enya wo dia
Anya wo de aso
e
akofa.
obi dia no wa kwede wa kwakofa
Yeah.
nti ukofa ba ye na kan fi say mo ye nkwan we di ni boko me ko kan ho asem sa kwa ya so de kra mani ko be 3 months stars
Answer what ya no. Na za twam.
na ko bo akra yi ko bo na obere obeka so ko kan papa so ho aba be kiro nti akra bi se no na che say omunyi a omo de no kredie ebedi omo anim
Okay.
wo se nipa bia abrabo aye gbosi a se ubo brapa na oye wadwen se wo de no krebe nante a esi wiye
Yeah.
na se oye se wo de ntrobe nam a
Emwa wo.
ukwa wo bepem na
Okay.
da wo bepem no wonya obi obeboa
Okay.
nti de akra na ye de mame hu se nipa na ma ka no kre
Okay.
o ka no kra wan kasa no ebeboa wo wan kasa
Me problem ne say ye bo ansa wo kan okre no enne me problem because nka hu so papa wi no how dey we be akoka ba wo ankoka why boni a papa etia wo no e ho na wo kote ne to
se papa no obunu ndo ro so kwa koka hu se otumi ne papa ne nko
Yeah.
otumi ndi ne papa na tem but akra ne che ne papa ne sa ade na waye no enye
one thing is say enye de papa ne ye na akura ne ka papa akura na ye ne boni e na papa ne tene no what I say enti no ho abufuo e na akra ndi e den e ko kan
me ye sure say akra no me sure say papa na mbo ne kra nkobeka
no go ma wie
no anka pointing do mba wie but still akra no beka
all right
because me sure say akra no be condone this kind of art no me sure so be support it
okay
nti me sure say anka mu di mu wie pointing nam ne kra mpo no anka still na akra no beka
ka
yeah so anya bro na papa ne de bo akra no akra dim say suba na papa na da di na ye kro no what dey say nti na ma akra no ko kan ye no nti obu no aka wa mu no obeka koka nti ye da akra na se e wo se bo kwa bo hwe na mo bo na ba so ade na akra na yo of VGM for so mo nominate no
all right
no man no award ni bi
me that's it ma then I can for video we
me yansan video ni bi
yansan video ni bi all right wicked king there be a mad king makai mad king me that's it unkwa na oga ne mu de asie yakohu ye tie video ni bi ye hwe
eba ne se na hu so papa ne ko wi aponche no
baja me aponche no aya mo ba ye fu mu ono ana ka se aya obeku aponche ne ba ko anji me ko jale ya me ba ye no oku aponche na wa tutu na o ye no one bla no
na adenti na ukoko bo wo bia manipa no mu wi na aponche na mane wo papa ku aponche wo so wi bi adenti na akoba amane
bado obo masu ana me ko kan
na aponche no wi bi
baja
wo wi bi pa wo na ede na wa wi adenti na akoba amane
obo me na me ko kan
yo enti yesi papa wo he
all right that's it ma oso obo no e no so ko kan ye
agree o ye ti ka sarumu ya enye bro na papa bo no
e ma ne ko kan ye
e de nko obeka eye de na nko ne na mfo di komo bi a obeka
na se nya bo e bo ni ntina
bro ne ka ho do but
asumbon mi nim sani papa ne ye no
e de yanka one akra di de o ya akra
okay
no matter sa no be sia ka chen se mo nya de e de na obeye enti we aye afutoma ma bebre because sometimes obini ni kunu kra ya de wo mpaso a they don't hide it from the children no hide no nam kra bia na nam bi dan kwan mu kra pa na ye bo so kwa ontia ne ba
no yeah
iti we say wo he o ma ya ache enye ndenku an o
na za ponchi kum na che
o ma wi ache be bro no ne ma na ba
yeah
opanka presenter ni busa ni here anka obu so nko be bodo o ma ye nyina
okay
and sometimes no ya de na sa courage na ho no ma tia no ma nko because senka we wan mo no krampoa eye de na one day na ho fu odi nko ma obeka
so there be me papa ko wi papa we aponchin
o de hwe o bucketwa first national ni dare
yeah
and no ni dare bi
there be
adentia
ojina wa no peja ni ti ojina wa no peja ni ti ai se o de ekoso no
me uncle ba only ni dare
okay
o say adada why is your kakai bigger than man kakai
kai
un say yan kan kra na chan say ade ni di say
yes say kakai
obusa ne papa say
ana kakai no mu odu say me kakai
yes
okay
onti ase en kra say wo say ucheche ni mu say e bia manyini but say no wo kire na e bi o be akoya ade ni kwan so ye dey ode
so nya bu chance
yes ya ade bia eni kwan say wo ye open
okay
niema bi say na ya de bone ni de kwa say ya ma nka wo ko wi aba ponche na with that akra ne no wi mpo na nka ukun ne ma ne nka bu ni nka
problem
na asem ko but wa ko wi ama e boko nko na ne wi ya ade
oh yeah no wa ko toto akra na say mi de mobo na akra utimi to papa to say
o bu za no in say
o say mi de minimo o so ti hia o so ti aponchi ru
ni no na so ba fie biem akra bi say o mba fie biem
no be den because no kura suro
na asumba ba ko bo je
wa ko ka aponchi ru afi oh my god
asamba ho bi no ya ba je asumba bia
all right mama ko tia ko aba
ya nia
tia is a video no obeto so kakra ni na ni say akura no beto say aponchi bi bo mo fum na ni papa na anwen say aponchi we de ne ho akọ no obekum ba akọ ti da na akra no firi abonten ba na ne papa ku aponche ba ko omo ye ho adwuma gidigidi e na owi bi e de na da kro na mi so ye bibi na ne papa bo no na straight to aponche ru ani fie okokan ye enti sabia me no ka say ya chi ne papa tum akra nso te aponche ru ani fie ti ai asema da honi
on fancha ne ba ebufu ne bai on fancha ne ba na ebufu ne bai papa so papa nso bokro no ma obahu dia senye o
enu so ye ishi won
bokro no ma obahu dia enye obeka
okay
papa efi amoyi mo nya aponji bia wo ho
na
so ogitumu we
owe pa
omo bibi e papa do ko ball na nsum to ball na nsum na ka say sa
odi ho abufuo
ko
akra ni nim baby aponji
oni ma aponji ru na wa bodaru a wo kromo obi ankasa o wa bodaru no na boy no so mawia nya agro na emza abufuo ba ye no straight to aponji ru an fie all right enti ti ai wo bank aba ni dey
oh but untumi nsharanya na hwesa because
oba wa ye bone wo tia no bone kakra wa ye asie mre bi atwam akoka ho
na oba de na oba no untumi nya na hwesa
afutu be na nka de be ma no next time
akra no
ai
so hu kro no ade on kan ne papa mane ko
kan bia
samo mbe beta
all right ene mayenko ahoma no so e na yahwefo ne atifo nso mozo momfa madwe nkyemra akra no wa ya ade ana wanya ade na okra no se na osi hu video no munzo amutie yen no de na o ka fa sa video we hu 0551 931931 0551 931931 0548 931931 0548 931 931 0551 931 931 obetimi afre na waba jumadi ni so hello Safri
good evening sir
yeah we didn't baby akaza free
Isaac nkasa free Kenya fiazlo
all right Isaac my into
so we say so wa share me hu de venemu
so Isaac
and I want to enjoy the papa no so
okay
because I work on chain for Chibia and one hene or hard rain. Yeah, my one channel or tariff of one near my hands.
That's what I say. No fool.
Hello.
Oh, didn't baby Alcaza free?
But your friend has answered because if you appear to Cocodine.
Right, be patch you.
Who's a near my city? And cause a Ghana cranky, near Bakwara Nabasu.
Oh, okay.
The penny, because so be the Ukukuya. And I say, yeah, Mamre Muno, they are not penny idea, empathy, the Canafi, whom you pay the Cantina Macron, 7 million of the
Adolson, yeah.
If you are going to see a Bonabasanka, that's about be a feeling. Now, you know, Queen.
All right, yes, you better say hello.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening, me pacho dini baby Alcaza free.
Me pacho Francis me Kasafi Friday.
All right, my into.
Me pacho papa no one mistake na ma we na buy.
Okay.
So say panyi de akwa no usa enye on na we san kono fa bin so be chapo ntino.
Okay.
Enti na mani ble su ma akwa anko kan de papa no so so ne so ne akwa odi kama akwa ya we say obi wi aponti ntima akwa no so ko kan no.
Okay. Enti akwa ne nye bone.
Akwa nje onye bone.
All right, yeah, that's it. Hello.
Hello.
Me pacho udini baby Alcaza free.
Yes, I'm Sompa Xtra.
Me pacho you.
After no waka kan hoka. Training great years. Waka. Next I'm find way when you be.
Oh, okay. Okay. Me that's it. Hello.
Hello.
Me pacho udini baby Alcaza free.
Pacho me kasa free dance.
All right, me pacho you.
Pacho afane de onye ogboni bia ebone se ka wan bona manye se okubia ko ne no she.
Okay. All right. You better say. Nyami shraw. Hello.
Hello, Papa.
Me pacho udini baby Alcaza free.
Friend of fire.
What fire Alcaza free? Oh, you what fire you?
I say yes, and Casana Bonnie tomorrow.
Okay. Okay.
Akolani yanko papa the plan mu
okay.
Ya sina tumu a odi tumu. We ya dey say ko Oko yi obi afọ akụkụ no wa ma. Yanko papa ni wa mu.
Okay.
Ana me dey misre ma.
You better say hello.
Hello.
Within baby Alcasa free. I would be saying. Okay, Ben is here too.
But I call on one year body and can you body papa do and can you papa?
Oh, okay. Thank our crowns to be one so we be. Okay, yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's it. Hello.
Hello.
Me bacho within baby Alcasa free. Me bacho now within the saying. You mpacho yet you.
You are somewhere near Ada. I thought Tamosoda.
Oh, okay.
Appointed by Cooper. Appointed by Cooper. What we are pointing to, Papa, they will die 2 months. I will be uncle Papa Cobodia. Appointed Cooper.
Yeah.
And for 14 1 week.
Oh. Okay. 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 Oh, when to me and Kassan, hello. Hello, me pacho, wouldn't baby Alcasa free?
Hello?
Me pacho, wouldn't baby Alcasa free?
Pacho, your friend Francis, Kete
You Francis, Kete Cratchy for who to say?
Aquana, dear boy in the Wayana, dear boy in the Wayana, I never found as one of
Medase.
I think one now, and someone.
Okay. Okay.
That's all.
All right. Medase. Hello.
Yes.
Me pacho, wouldn't baby Alcasa free?
Your friend is Brass, I mean, make a station.
All right. Brass, I mean, me pacho, my into.
What's that? Yamu Kano, at the center,
yeah.
Yama, and I did a good.
Okay.
Yama, you know, children, and
yeah.
So say so that guys will come. I kept.
Yeah.
It will be to share.
Yeah.
Walk who believes that?
Okay. Yeah, that's it. Yamin Shroud. Hello.
Hello.
Me pacho, wouldn't baby Alcasa free?
Me kasa free asanti achim kuku ben.
Me pacho na wouldn't the same.
Baby ya o something.
Okay, me pacho yet you.
Hello.
Me pacho man TV no why yet you.
Program no na me pete me ba so bi.
Me pacho wo so obetimi akasa.
Me de o papa ni ye no. We ma ye hu se awofo no ye ni ye bia. Ye se nkwara wo kwa wo se ye hwe ni ye pa na ye awofo no de ye no. Ena nkwara no ye den omuhwe esia.
Okay.
Enti awofo no wo se ye bo blapa. Ye ma no sa ye den ahwe esia. Enti je be bia no. Eno na nkwara no be den. Ombesina. Enti akwara no ma ni nya ne hwe.
Okay.
Ona ni nya me ase se ni boni a wo ye no. Akwara na ma na dedi. Enti ye ma ne mo akwara no.
All right. Yanso ye da say yemfa last caller. Hello.
Hello.
Me ba jo wudi ni baby Alcasa free. Asanku. Now did you say? All right, very yet you.
Crying the wire, pa, we move our uncle, some of the macrano.
Oh, okay.
We never our phone so in the down.
Okay.
Some way with your some shiny.
All right. You better see Veru, Yankupon, and Shroud. You better mama kwaba, make out a frequency no. 93.1 Sompa FM. Jumadi chagu o fi obetimi adwodwo ho na watie yen. Also wo demo a obetimi ahwe yen e wo Sompa TV ne so e wo decoder wo digital television so a obetimi ahwe yen afei Facebook mo amukita smartphones no oba Facebook Sompa 93.1 Sompa TV Ghana obetimi ahwe yen YouTube nso streami ewo ho no nti so obetimi ahwe Sompa TV Ghana obehu yen ewo ho ye the next segment no ebremo dachi ma wa ha stories kakra aba no obebobo so amaye na afei eja ya bobo ho dachi ma yen share stories aba bobo so maye
Skulfees me that's pa me fight juma de resu chia so pa 93.1 FM atiefo nyina ene stories abadie emu ehwam o se wo frɛ wadanfo o maame wo sister obi biara na obetina Sompa TV no ho na wo hwɛ Sompa Xtra anigide mu nsɛm ayedi bei emu orem ankasa akosi Japan.
Yeah.
A Japan man na Japan.
Akosia Japan.
Akosia Japan.
So unim sa mama no.
Mahuni pa. Onyi ni bata so
very young. On the ball. Ye ma ejo nyame boy ye ma boy yi. On so the ball awo frema. Do be na mehie odobi yo.
Oni sa mahu sa mama no. Wakasa fa.
Na chi man say won sheda nyi e. On the me 1960s mu nyina na me wo ho. And yes, 20. I sat down go to Japan crowd. I buy area more. All right.
I could say Japan. I can say our phone.
Okay.
A man.
Okay.
And you may be a cost of our room.
Okay.
You are soon.
Let's see.
And now Black Sheriff also look like a friend, a rap soldier.
Kai.
Or no so once and some abaha. Black Sheriff now so I could join you Kobe. And also ends and some abaha.
Or you're accused of joining.
Okay. Yeah, so I accused.
Yes.
Say I could join you Kobe. And also you do hoons and some ebeba.
All right.
Pastor Kingsley Okonko.
Mo.
Or no so Eddie a man so hoons and some bebre
abba.
Enche bia.
We dey be man dey o. Unza osre. Unza osre. Well, nani so for nas ma wa kan wani je ho.
Oh yes. And dem ani je ho pa. Na mi be o be nyame hira no.
Amen.
Obeso ho asem kro na. Mentwe ho free TV no ho na say radio no.
All right.
Tamukuchu.
Ye better dachi him ase na me aminim de ntia na nani agye. Unza de bi ekotia mema de brown. Ya na mma no ba de ekotia wo mo no enso akoe problem but all the same enye hwe all right my yen share your first story no na akosua Japan and edin nsem bi aba ensem ben no de aba or say it is a woman's job to train and mold her husband into a better man what remu a wo ye oba na be ma ti ni sika be ware wo a wo asudie eda wo so na asudie ni nye se sebe wo kwa obi na ebisa mse mahu so obi atompa ma obi abeda so da ba de ye mfa nto nchansa enye se bi a wo kwa akonu aduane ama be ma na didi wasi ni niema wa wo mba ama no wato ne mpa na mumienu masa ada mpa no so ha but wo asudie oba bi wo ha wo se mikunu ti sei mikunu ye sei na emma bebre especially menka na Africa ha wo munya hu Nyankopon tumi a ode adua mmaa mu saa tumi na emma tumi de tete mofra mu benyini no oba wo tumi otumi de tete be ma ama ne benyini ye be ma pa otumi tete oba nso ma ne ye oba pa na ya na mmaa ne refi se sane nipa tie bia nipa da so ya abofra especially mema ye wo be ma bi wo ho a wanyini pa nso emofra su da so ye den ewo ni mu enta akosia Japan kire mu a oba waso die ka ho ne se e wasa wo san tenetene wukunu e wasa wo san training wukunu no in such a way so ba ye be mapa ti se be ma wo pe no san se wo ye be ma na wo bompa ye kura no a wo se erade oba ameni ni wo hoyi Nyankopon boa me na sesa ne suban ma me se onyempo amane meye papa ma me sa same way e na oba se wukunu wo suban bi a enya wo betumi atete no wo betumi ni nakasa ubetimi a training no ubetimi a molding no amwa be mapa my mfa ne say ye kwa aware na se a oba duties no limited to say ye nuane ye si niema ye bo no you can also train and mold your husband into becoming a better man enti akosua Japan ensema wode aba say Africa ewiase Ghana ma mokwa aware a enya mo mankwa na mokwa tete wo mo sɛnea ukunu maame tete no bebi a watete na duru no wo na wo ba betoa so wonso betimi atenetene ukunu ene sɛ wo hia married man ɛwɔ dwumadie bi ase a wotimi hu sɛ man we or a married man because ne outfit na ɔde bɛba no example ene wo hwɛ mini mad kina ye dress in difference wom because me pie no me yiri hu me o check me dressing ba mad kin on worry enti wo hwɛ ne dressing na kama ba wan takin nka wa worry a nka ne yiri bɛhwɛ so obɛden tia me boa
no
nka ne yiri bɛhwɛ so obɛtakin me nka se nti picture me nkwali e fatu so unze hwɛ ase de ankwa ma wa utimi ye de obebia enti ma ne yɛbɛsrɛ mo ba ware a se duty we nso ka ho mo training mu kununum na mo modi omo into say ombetimi abeye bema papa sene amo ankasa enka mo pe ma yento so na yemfa look alike ma hu look alike hu na me ba cho mo mra Facebook na mo mehwe look alike we mame ansa na makasa Martin ma yenhwe look alike na look alike we dey kai look alike we dey
wow who friend we dey
yeah there one
enzima kasaka eziama enzima ana fiba ku component to this one extra so component to slow enzima
yeah sure
nice one fiba ku ma se ache
maybe fancy
but on mumra Facebook let's mumra here look alike we sure no be huni pakra
kumasi boss kumasi a guy we say kumasi ko to us
sao
I say maybe my whole difference yeah
that's only one consumer do you
I have a friend Sarah Mr. Kalu we have to yenya ma
and now for no more straight Sudan
plenty
yeah now we started say we fa black aye we star no aye then we choose say black na person ye no look
black pen me feeling ways I check that time plan ba na Martin cry for me
cry for me that time we small boy that time kwa me any interview
yeah tina me that feeling no to sa ndu na money holiday no money so ben am me tuning do obodu rag no obodu rag by I say na me feeling extra I come to speak and black it's a room me say wona na say wa bonduma etwa obi
enti me pa so enye easy o na oba be ye freestyle kitua bi wa ene hia me no nti mumra Facebook mumra Facebook mumra YouTube etimi so ahwe Sompa TV be hu ka like we mi ambo ni di
na drop la ko first na se ka se mono clear na Mr. TT robot bi na say Kilamen do of street why some say mo fie am ni se share nye duma di sa ti mo kwa na me pa na ko kase sa ni dum ana o di duma
all right enti we blacko blacko
ana o di duma
blacko ni look alike no na and they look alike for ni there enye izo enti na man for comments on their buffer look alike we hu no enye easy cry na yedi look alike ne ho nsema ba wie no ensem bi so boboba na amanfo accuse black sheriff say wakwako joining Illuminati accused na you see in every room no ya na no kreka kra bi wom me kai say bra Illuminati say mi ba me to me bo ase ye mu hwehwe mu akwa akire kakra na abrofo no omo ye very very trickish pa wanhwe ye ombe wan o the way I'm inaugurating Lady Gaga into Illuminati, no. One share you will never know. But who follow in kakra step by step, you really know say. Ebi mo share Lady Gaga all right, but ebi mo so ye nyuma wa chire. Na say ya na happen to Blacko. Na me pese ye share Blacko performance way after so winning artist of the year no ko performing wa brochire. Na yenhwe sa performance no na ebeba enti ye ba behwe sa performance no na ya hwe ne background Ti say meti hai wa wo hwem no say bibi koso o machi background bi o machi yeah black also performing no na background bi wo nachi na sa background no na manfo ka ho sem say background yi wo hwe most celebrities especially obi ti say Jay-Z, Beyonce, Lady Gaga, Rick Ross, any Lil Wayne enye Ghana Lil Wayne Mr. Moa abroche Lil Wayne na making yeah na most of times backdrop aya wo de yo programs no eno so e ka bibi fa wo program ne ho esan ka bibi fa wo ankasa wo ho na wo de bra na behwa ade bi e wo Facebook no me say eye Sompa 93.1 bra na behwe black performance bi wo ba YouTube no nso a wo behwe bi e wo ho Sompa TV Ghana me pa cho mumra sesi a mumra na menkyerɛ mo ade no step by step. Alright, inti mum pause video no ha ma me. Me pe backdrop no me da say Madkin me da say. Na wo hwɛ emoji a black sheriff achi na. Eya koye say obi electric bi asoke no owo in pain. We will be a yekoye concert there. Electric band na shock no. But make me refer this particular design and electric no more refer to now as nipa or vibration. Nipa be brain pay attention to more vibration, but it really works. And to buy ye born yum no ye wo ade a yetimi di reduce and I di low be vibration, that's 808 kick. To the end the enfam pem wansa. Yama video ni nko nanim na memfa explanation imra minya Michael Sarebodu akebem de pa chechemu hine. All right. Extra. In fact, the performance no bad. Nenye bad, but BB bus is here. BB ba mama shade. One ba Facebook and be be away on BB ba. BB ba. BB ba. What the munya butre. Extra.
Lama interview or talk at him at Ghana Web TV. Now else.
All right, enti me da say Madkin man impossible ho. Good. Enti yanhwe Baphomet ene da Black Sheriff in sa ho no. They say the area say obi anim say Baphomet symbol no aponchi ana nantwi a osan tua abeben. Aponchi be ma otua abeben. Enti Baphomet yin ne da Black Sheriff in sa ho no. Na bra all performing so this Baphomet design no na e won backdrop ni mu enti amanfo bisa say a coincidence good Madkin brawachi kakra pause wa ha mame good me da say na me show Madkin enti aha no na amanfo ka ho asem me ba cho dachi ma say hu backdrop no hu design na e wo ho no Tia uhu. Okay. Brown uhu. Tia a coincidence ana. Because I think some here rehearsals. Backdrop be beer because we are not the management here aware.
Any coincidence.
Good. Enti me da see ye beba ho. Enti say any coincidence there. This same design is done in San Hono. Enti over to ye wa ha nyina obi ade na dwenche beba. Say Blacko accusation e no kra na. Because design na bo wachi abrofo munye bibia keke omuntimi nkofa backdrop bia keke mfa mbetu wachi na why say we performing na this backdrop o de yeden. All right, o tattoo e wo nsa ho so esan have that same picture this Baphomet na sign down sa enti ho asem ewo ho ye bedwene ho ene ma yento aso yemfa the next story no emra na we de ema na ni beje ho pa na Pastor Kingsley Okonkwo ono Nigeria ono na ede nsem ya boss no man is wired to cheat oba bibrem ha brofo no ye ka the word love love omote ase se bronyi ka say I love you oh masa there be a Ghana meka we oba na be me be so pe ya the word no be isu no tie niye se ne be man si pronounce ne love no one based on the pronunciation no be kire se eye nokre na enye nokre oba tie niye se be me so pe no ka say I love you eye different from I love you. Oh yeah, we are Ghana for love na make no mamonsre. Example, se Ghana ni be maka say I love you I want trust ye. So sanka say I love you difference wo mo. Even though the words in sound the same but difference wo. Enti Pastor Kingsley e de atudwa say bema bia ni ho a che say ya hyehyɛ bibi ato so mema de saa. Ya bia manako ese mema de omuchi tinti ye normal. Sofune say he enye normal. Enti mema mu chiti e chemo awzo ebi asida. Enye news. And I say sofune say masa. Mo na mo pemo de bi na mo ye. Ye ntro wo ba bia say be ma chiti be ma de sa na nyame ball no. De bi ye ntro ba bia sa. Enti wu chiti wa na wu chiti wo ye chiti dada. Enye se sa na mema tie fi se enye mema nyina na chiti. Pastor Kingsley Okonkwo na sema odi abano no na de yedi twato kra Tina King of Rock and I say Queen of Rock. Michael Jackson King of Pop and Tina nso Queen of Rock music na watchi mu ana wonya ne baby ko to anana mu ewo nsiedo nya 83 enfie aduo watchi miensa 83 na onya ye ewo Switzerland na Tina onie na yebekai ni early days no ha video no ewo ha ni early days ne nyom ne de yembo no sisi abat ni early days no aha yenhwe Tina and we know performing Ghana oba Ghana no so ye wo Tina November 26 1939 our Brownsville Tennessee our USA abrochimaimu na Tina in fact why adwuma pa Ghana no enie no music chain fell so anenya agro Tina wo hwe Ghanaian culture no the rich culture of Ghana na wo hwe bi no Abraham Ataluka like nso na esa no awedi ewu Enti Tina ehye ne nyum tour career na 1957 bepem 2021 ana enya grokra na oware eye Ike Turner Achese one no tena ya omu divorce 1978 ena osan ware Ewen Batch ya one no ware 2013 ya ti sa be mai ne kan ho achese Tina oyare kakra achese wotumi adi efrim no na yehwe awards Tina agia in the year 1985 no onya nomination for favorite soul R&B female artist or winnie and a video artist in Susono osan winnie na afinum no ano osan ya favorite pop rock female video artist and onya nomination but wentimi and winnie na 1986 no onya favorite pop rock female artist or winnie na eno twaso na oba down ha 1984 onya comeback of the year SI winning artist of the year sa finuma winning female vocalist of the year so R&B artist of the year na sa finuma no won say sa finum no the private dancer album no ebaye na what's love got to do no was so enya nomination for song of the year but want me and winning but the album that's private dancer no enya album of the year ewo afe 1984 mu enti Tina wabone hu modern ye pa enu tina ne ya kai no na ye ka ne ho abakosem ewo ye njumadie yi eso Tina ewo emma bako 4 ne ma 4 enti Tina ne ho nsem kakra ni I think say matimi abrifu kakra meda se na me de si wona mabafie na many Brown ashase Brown
chama general
5 minutes enti stories ay bobo so enyina no otimi pikie mu bia na odo adwenkyere fa ho no aba
chama general meda wase ye be ma hwefo nyina nso akwa babio
all right
ma me touch first one no o say
akosua Japan de no
akosua Japan de no
okay
on say ewiase abraba ye boyi ye de akrokro eje ade ye fanti etia
energy
se oba wo fie na obema ukunu ani agi wo fie a de wa obesi aye de akasa kire ukunu
the way I know ukunu be kasa
okay komosi afa unse ye wo yenua ma ni bi wo ho a ekon obefa so akasa kire ni kunu no ni kunu kura apon adwuma na oba fie kura oni ani gim nti se ye study sa ade no a be ma mbebri wo ho opon adwuma ebia na otedame ase
nti yen kramofu ekra na yen kodame ase ye ko parliament
what ase
obeso mo parliament answer
na omodi didi because if you know okono onim
obeba fia na obedidi ada
okay because obabu oho a okasa kire ni kunu a menua wanya very careful abobefu
okay
so ye be ma na se oni akoma wanya very careful beto nsa abo oyire sisi ayi
okay
I remember say be 4 years
ebi atoda on watu nsa
no me nya
bi da o can remember nintina
me nya bi da batman hu bi da
okay
atonsu man bia no ne irinya akasakasa kakra
okay
but obani ese okobe ma nche oye nsa se frimi so no na nsa ball no
one
sheda so oye obono
okay
o ohuja di sei nsa ball no to for ma pam
nsa na modu ana ye
nsa modu ana mami wu free ati asefo asasi so wari asi o wanya na adwen so
obono ohuja ni keke
unse ma ye nkrofo bi a e ma pa akrokro se oni obati na se oti atia no unya kasade bia ma ono so ombu da
okay
wari ase enti anka be ma obade
na chese oni obati na wantane na nka kasade a
ono so nya respect bia ma
okay
unse ye mema no ayaba no se ye yire oyire kwa udidi wi no kasa o miwura me pese me ne udi nkomo kakra ye ni adaje kwa ni ye yire no be
dabi ye
ye adaje a ye betumi afa ye phone akọ online
So for mami prema ni na sembi o kan se Ghana for me ma mo ne mo yire ni mu ndi nkomo.
What you say?
Odidi wie ya tawo etwa na se ote ho yi ni nsimo o twen se oba no bedware wi akowura dem no akofa ya.
Obo ho no ne yire bedi nkomo asabi na ye na ode ne kwa akoda.
Na se abna ene de lai wo mo.
Meboja.
Ti ya o kan se ori ode jai. Ti ya o se.
Me nka ni.
I for one can grow. Wow. Asi na de meboja.
Okay.
Me kai papa bi mami bi ano ne.
O kan se. Unze na wo be kan ti ya de. Wo de nya hwe men ka ha ye kwan wo.
Me kai mami bi ano ne ni kunu te. No mbu ni kunu ne kra.
Okay.
Onfa ni kunu ne nya hwe. But on one kasa chance ya one day na ni kunu kwa adwuma kwa ni kunu kra na won fi no. One day na o ka che ni kunu se. Black Wabna, and now quid ye. Or some friend Black Wabna. Aye. Oh, Black Wabnos. Oh, now the mirror, my waro now from me Black Wabna. And also son was a mirror. Or see mirror and the old bar. A boss sexa, ye be ye juma. No, or cast us I know ye the to bear money team. Into bear money called draw a juma muno. 5:30, not bear money will fear. Now says more. Or body dear, I didn't see what bear money himself says he dear, or bear ye jumantino. Na yere ne kwa kitchen o kwa fa aduane ba na be ma na koyi watch no na wa chima kwato 559 one star no o chim watch na de kwato 559 into obadi dru ho no de aduane ni si ho ape o se nya na sesi aboyi wan wo se obadi de akokoro agi ni kunu wo se the rate at which yenu small girls ni bi age mema binum no ehu wo se nkra no ma ba no mo ni de we si krokro mpanifo nti se o yo ba no nim ha wa obesiasie okunu na wa krokro okunu
ene na kasa yie
da bia ma no a won we kwan ma me ne fa so hu ni kunu no
oh yeah
o ka chances no nsia pepepe ye be ya adwuma
okay
ni kunu 5:30 no ofie
no wadru
what you say 5:30 ni
traffic na ha no
enya san ko dru ntem na duane ma na didi no oba de share kitchen na be ma ya ko chim watch na akoto 5:55
hey time ne so ye opening time
oba so ba no achima akoto 5:59
na so omo ye omo time
oba ne mfa so ni medru ono odo ye wu
time na so ntimi nya ndidi
ye kodi odi sa nwune ni kunu no
straight
what you say
okay
nti sa ye nua man bi mo ansua de wa ye sikasa che oba ai bema one sua de way si krokro bema wo se mema ye ho ya mutekakra what I say ye mema ye pie ni e ka se ye mba wo ye de ye ma wo se ma de o mo otema kakra e bia me ka se oba e bia wawo nti wo ba hwe o ma ofie what I say nti se wo oba no hwe o ma ofie bema no no responsibility so obe yi sky de ato na wo oba no wa ye dua
eno so kra na mama Mother's Day aye da sin Father's Day
what I say nti se wa nya krokro bia tembia no bema no nya bedru fie pe obekọ obekọ
ye ma fie ntem
what I say ye hwe ye adwuma ye pressure so obepon free TV station na obe free adwuma
adi traffic mu
no akodru fie na uza akoto another jam wo kokoro wani nje what I say nti yesre minu ama no te say ma me e kan kosu Japan e kan munsua de wa yesi kokoro mema se hu be ma ananu aduane ope
oni ma de ye me ya pa
me ba cho de bi
o time no me use 10 seconds me de be ma abra na maame dokunu ye by the fireside oh yeah one story bi me rain feeder oba bi ko konfo bi ho se ope aduru a ode be ye ni kunu betena ne nchen forever ana konfo nso obetimi aboa no but edene so obetimi dia no so odo ni kunu enti bibia obeye den obeye ana konfo no kire nso okay sa de onko wuram na onko tu jata hwena no nwi ba akonye den emra na kwan ben so enso oba no timi koye ekotu jata no hwena no nwi ne eden ebae to obae ne na konfo no bisa ne se kwan ben so no fa ya otimi kotu jata no hwena no nwi no so ode akrokro odo ene ahobrase ena konfo no kire ne se ne waduro na wo pe no eno na mede ama wo no ukofia fa odo ahobrase fa ko ma ukunu na de ohwe nyina no onsa beka onko ba bia what you say
enti eno anu no menua anko ba de wasevu ukunu awie no na woni di nkomo asem sidie bi
odidi nyina na ote ne ho
be ma didi kwa na mfifreti na o mira me ma your friends rugby no dia fa na nim odidi ya bibi kwa nka na no kwa na wa
tena for so akopepa ka yo banka obeye pa o
what you say
na ga dachi ma wonye I say any style bi sa Hey, dear.
Me we yes am crab.
Oh,
Sir.
Hey, yan kokro be ma be brace how.
Hey.
Ya kwakro.
Yeah, dey pe.
Tio. Oba bu ho ni krukra address no kwa adwuma kra. On checking the dress.
Eno na make kan.
On checking
Because the mad king dey say be say na me won so dodo ba nya hwe.
Ni krunya kra ne say e bia kosu am kwa adwuma. Yo, bye bye. Debbie, Jenny bag.
Yeah.
Kokro no fa no ko
Na ko do gate na no.
Wa bie ka gate no.
That's him.
Bie na de na sim.
Yeah.
Wo de ni sim wie ya mo ko do gate a. No afina fun. Wow.
Me da say.
Ano aka say oh odo ewu.
Nyame nka ho.
Debbie, oh. The moment I best start here say Bema ne kwa
tambia na adwe wo fie
nti so kosi oba foforo kwa na so oba foforo ne nya saa de no a na ni nje
Dabi
tambia na nani wona chi
so oba no be ye kra je so oba no ye bro de wo ye no so
na tambia na ba ye
yeah
wo de ne be se wa moto
Dabi
wotumi mene ne so nti akrokro wahu bema fi adwuma ba oh oyi na tade oh me rejai
me ameyi
na wa wo
yi ni socks
oh dress no odo ewe na de o
ye fe bi kra na enye fe
ebi so ana enye
yes
wahu nti me nua ma no musua saa de we nyina
oh ba waka ni nyina o ke be boa pa nka
simple
Sompa nkomo kra nka ohini ni obenya ahoto sa manfo de omukunum ni omoyire ni mo ba
what ya
yeah
ye tie ye nua no TV station radio station obiad na ware mu nsem ko ye nua ma no ye mi say ma no say dai no mo so ye wo fie nti a mema ne ye saa because me for instance me wo your ba na wo kasa kire mi ni ha ma ni nje wo ho because me obi a me mpeka sa bebre nti me no nya yi kakro na say wo kasa bebre bo say pa na ma pie
okay
what ya say
ukoso pa na wo ba
me pa na me ba say me nya ni je wo fie
all right
what ya say but say me nya ma ni je no wo fie a ke bia me ka fie
yeah
what ya say
yeah
e ma no munsua
ehia pa ka kire wo mo
what ya say
da chi me stress no
na oba bi su kra ho a menua oba bi ho ne be ma kra koda odunya duru ya sabi mpa no so on koda mpa no so ntwe ni kru no obe anu akoda kunwam
wo so nim say e be ya de
ahomati 12 afuna abeda okunu nche dabi
ya nya sa
dikada ho si atade a wo be chi okunu no
na ni boss wa
onwale mpo
oba
beti adi
what ya say
bi wura
kodware bra
what did you wari what did you wadi pa but wo hu sa niam we nyina ye pe wari ne
begu
iti mi nua ma no we di adesrede me say me wari a mere so no onim dada
pepepe oh
de wo me
ya mi sha
nti so no so ankrokro me de abekọ ma me fi wari ase nti dache susu sere musia sa de we
dache ma musia ho
wo mami ya wo bo ni din ohini ni o se wa me mami wo se otufu o
sa
kan nyina
ono njeja ni kuno ei
won se mami ne kasa mu ko say yes ni fie no onya ni je oni
enya gro
but ade enya fer se be ma wo fi abon adwuma mu akofie na oni ani ji
oba adwuma ma wanya ni je ukofie so a unya ni je
wanya very careful crowd ka be bobi
masa
won nti ese unya ni je ni fifie na onya ni je fie adwuma mu fie adwuma na okonya ni
no balance no
babia obabu okro mpo asabi odi ni kru nwale mom
dabi sa de no so nye
ya no
ko ma de ha Ghana e ma ya ware egu pa
ya no afata wo kikikiki no okodwa
brown un ma de ha Ghana e ma ya ware egu pa dabi ye nya wo pe na ye ma na be separate afri
what I say
because oba nya wo pe be ma nda baby oba ne ma na eda
what I say
ba onim say ye can bonding na it takes a lot
sure
mu dware abom mu da abom mu ye ne ma bebre abom e ma mo bonding no
what I say
na say waka me meta ya dware abom
mu dware bom wi a
ti adem so ya dadanti we kan na ze
o first spray kwa na wa first spray wa ma na moto fin na de
we are na de man hey brown
dem bia be ma no ho na ni ji but what I say
brown
minia mo sere
ya semo
aware mu adro na me de ma
no
na me de ma no osua obagye wa ware
no kre no kre
oh yeah we are da we are on sorry oh no abono oh mira
our time no yaso
me time dey me
da bi enya o time no kra o de kasa me say oba no ko pre na mira time aso so be kwa adwuma o yeah
uboni wie pe on ka so obedidi o obeso na tisi ho
yeah
what I say on di kwa no afa o mura fa kakra ka wa no adwuma o ho don't oh fa kakra ka wa no ubeso on di o no
abrochefo ne frɛ munya abotre wa
na wonim saa de we ye be man sori a okọ adwuma odura bonten so no akoto koko abla milo si obetumi ayiti nso na yetia no
na nde ya be man pie na oba na chikosua ne pa no ebo so no ne nan da akonwa so na ohwe tv ohwe sompa na odi
obeja ne ho sakatu
na ntoma boni mu ade a mechiri no
ojeja body se guba bi na ho sakatu udu fie kwa wani nye obedu no adam pa no so aye fifre sa onyi bashit ne kwa mfa foforo nse so bashit ba ko be ma be ma na da so sa onya ni gie
Debi sakra onso da ye
kokro ukunu e ba ne sa perfect ditembia mo so ma na ni gie omu ho papa omu dimirika obabu o ha ni kurukura fi adwuma abakra
nkura ne nka dadi
obabu be bie main gate no o mebie no si why say
no he
kan sa ne kukas na o mebie me na me mebie o ade odi onim sa odi bebie on sini kurukura niema onim kasade mimi ya no ba ne sade a minu aba ye bi wate
emwa o man de dodo ntai nye wo munim ye dachi ma wo munim ye
dachi bisa wo ho say
denti oba ne nye sa
onkrokro mi
wo munim ye wo munim ye wo man ni makrokro
enye se wonim ye wo bisa wo ho say suban be na mide na dintia
oba ne nkrokro me na from day one oba ne nkrokro me da fe no be start then
it started from somewhere
Debi we ni different
yeah
odobo fro
ontokwa bam
me mama oda lumba odobo fro
me ntwa no yan ka say relationship aye umi I remember say na me bo radio takrade
okay
na me ni ge bi na net
okay
na me friend no so Charlie e ya na abafia be si me nyama mam be si ya ombra fie me si me nyama nya de
omo hwe
mami onu ma se mo ka kire me hwe me se me ka na pastors
okay
onu ma se ma ga de ka kire me o si onu ne ma me wo no si ne mada
hey
but me wan so oba me ho da be sheet so
kai ene hwan ne besie
to kan na me so okay mate na me si ma de e hwan na me block line no oba na me pam no
okay
because nya me na me si be sheet mo ababa da
Debi
at least baby what's in here ade ba ko so e de ya
nti sa ba no so wan ware
no
enti umfiti be ko pem ware wo ba ana me boa
enti na me kire se obu wo ho a hwe o
aha me ba se umfiti pre ko pem ware wo ba
Debi
uhu ni suban ansa
sa
aha eti uhu sa no a wo pam mo no unya wo peace of mind na we
manya me peace of mind
but usia bi ena nko be si ma on eye wadwan man ka be ne de
anka mete ho
good
but the thing is obu wo ho beginning no mpacho nya
obu
wo beginning no ane ne te ho no obeya sa de ni nyina ama wo
echire ni wajai wo de ka wa hye ne sa wia enjina suban
suban peer influence
suban
ti Ibrahim
Skulfees suban
okay onim mama brown anunsi
enti ne kwa ne se menu ama no sa ne ma ya me bobo so ni nyina no
yensua
munsua ne ye wo de beji wa ware se bi be ma se bi mpredua san adwen kwa ni timu a obo ade a me yiri ye de obabu wo so ne kunu kwa nya asem a abontin so
no ka
efie kesi no okogina ho
na wo ye sei
woni dawro
brown onim wasem na de pa na me pesa odi si ba bi waka akrokro ni we no fa number 4 na fa fuse na me hwese be ye ya na fa vim kan se ne awo kana
number 4 say
Sompa FM
se be ma chiti ya fa ne se normal enye normal bia
enye normal
okay
be ma uchiti a metembia
me ka se sa de en so betimi ama oba esuban ha oda na di kire ni kunu asesa yeah
enye normal because be ma bia uchiti a me ya na me kan se unye bayifo a na de be kasua
okay
what I say
yeah
because then now pay bia ma bi ni uyere ho
te say wadi aben kwan sa say o de nkate
de bia no ye different
anu ye aduane
the moment I be ware no oni nipa no aye baako
okay mo ye honam baako honam no so ntimi wai we mfiri we hu okay
mpacho se ka wa hyew me dent na ka wa ne hyew
because
me say wife so se bi mo ye ma be
baako yeah
I have to say Brad Covenant here ye kan wa ka mo moja da afra na asofo no bi sa mo se owuo mo enkwamo ohiamo ahonkyere mo bibia mu one ne bewu
yeah
inti se one ne bewu e se o ka hu se na kosua kuma no so
e se ma ne no bewu no e no amanfo the petition akose marriage vows no ho no omunya amendment because me ni bewu enye tuo
me de
me hu so obi ni obi awuda
chiti na me hu be ma o chiti e wo relationship na sa ware mu a
okay ma yenhwe den edi sa den timi di cheating ba
ba ne se we bia be ma no nim hawa oba no nim hawa be si akrokro
enti ekokosi hwa ya bisu ye suban yeah
ahonidie kura for instance
yes
ahonidie o
yeah
emani bi ni omo ni ba ku sei emani bi ni omo ni ba ku sei
yeah
insese be ma sebi impredio sampani for money mo be yi na moto ayi ni ba bi nkakra onyi o je ni sakatu no de na
emani so mpesa enti ho no wo be kan senka odosem ni ntin se na wo kyerɛkyerɛ oba no tinka mu kodura adware a bandi plastic ye adwuma na nka be man ti ai se utie
utumi ti ukru to no aba ni na mienu
no waji no
na
plastic brown
uti anu aboa no aguba bi wo pɛ so obetua ma okun so ide you correct
okay send here we yi na we su yi balance
o yire dia sabi dono no mu amere aba na ade be
o de be
1 minute dono no aba de na ade be
all right
ti mu miensu asade we na yanji ya ware
all right medasi brown medasi pa mame ko dachi ma ade dachi man sama brown kan ni sua o sua na be boa ke no so be boa unim edane na apostle ejekum wonse papa no packing kan or the book bi beto a Sompa ha ye woni ma bi ade beto ha e be yira ba se the book ai san fa aware nchirechire mu e beto book na da ha saa obi amfa me ana mfa e ko me ana mi suasua mu nsem kakra matkin wa hwe san wa mfa o de ye den dachi ma nti we
Sompa FM
wonse na wo counter
woni ne nya adwene ba ku sei
oh ensempa Mr Brown ato ne bo ase ahyehye adwira gu wono one ne nya adwen aden
ne nya adwen ba ko bibia mu no eye suban entiase
okay
ene wodo
na se mana nsua akrokro suban no ana
suban ankasa de se se mintimi ni wonte mintimi ni ti mintimi ni ntina enene ya
nware
yes enhuni suban min besa wo do personal life but but answer na wo be ware o wife no edi mresan answer na o ware no
oh se me kan dia once na me searching at a point in time bia no no me bia 8 so was thinka at a point in time bia no me 8 anya se me no ye bibi
me kasa me pesa
na me study o munyina suban ahu said emre no so a me go for number way
good pesi wa
good
what as mo kan
that's him dey anhwa dey semba
8 mama kuma 8
at a point in time so ante
so
ante se ba ku free man me de ba ku be ka ho
that's him man o yi ba ku
that's him the way I would drive here then quite say bia the mention say once na me single and searching
I understand you
mama kuma ku every point in time o me 8 na me guso a me hwe o musuban na akopem he
na finally wo ware o yiri
that's it
e wo niema bi
me hu ye
wo yiri mu
ansa
na wo ware no enti me mba hasa wo no oba atewa no akwa no wo nim perfectly we sa wo yiri no wo nim dem asesi
oba bi oni ye enso e wo ma na asesa okay
otimi nya adwane otimi nya hwe ti sa wo friends o mesu best friend o so o mai
ene ba ku o ka so oni yi
o si odo ntino ono ana wo pe no akwakofa no enti search oba no wo pon na wantimi ankofi obi na ye
na say wa na wa ye
ho eja ansa na be ware no obo obeti na tena 10 years so wan ware
na de na man na mo nsua suban na nka
and dey suban
okay
obia ye wo individual difference obia na say na ode ba asase wezu say na mimi sitie no enye sa na edit so bet sa na obia ni suban esi ene say na be fa eji say na wo kan yi de me no wonya adwene bako eye suban no kwese hu sa wo pe ansa na wa ye den wa ware ya fa no nto oba bi nso wo ha obesiesie dem aye sane wo panyina obenu aduane obeyi wa motom sane wo kin e don adwoa obehye 19 kura wo hu bi da
o sa ye den
ba odi impress o odo na wo ma woni ntino
be ma ntino o hye
house ni bia na adwene nyina ma ade achi o ka so be fa wo chi
ene ze ni suban
be ma ni suban no
Bema ni suban ti no ba na fa chi
entimi minimum nya adwene meba asana me ka want me say
okay
Obaby wo obesiesie dem.
Aye de also ye bia.
Obaye aduane. O favorite me obaye ne kama baby bia perfect amount. Oye oba oye bibia mfomso bia ni ho.
Okay.
Na so still be man ka so be chiti won so a opa ye den obe chiti. Enti ne emfa ho no de bia obesi amodu kuna afa. Eye suban no.
Na say mema ni suban.
Suban.
Oh, that him as a man.
Yes. Eye suban.
But percentage wise, o hwe emma wo munim se ne yesisiesie ye fia. So yi 10 a. Obenya mu 8 a bibia ye kama wo fia be ma ne mfa na chi. Ebia 2 pe.
Ebi nsida.
Bebre si.
Ensida.
Bebre minim bebre.
Ensida.
Sa.
Utimi fa mema 10
ba wo krokro ni kunu siesie no.
Eye 1 out of 10 na. 1 out of me eye 8.
Upon the ban be ye nyina achi.
I'm telling you.
My God.
Eye 1 out of 10.
Hey, serious.
Ene nchi to mo yire so enemire mu. Enti ya fa ne se eye normal. Okoba ma fa ma dware
Pastor Kingsley Konko dia ba no se enye normal.
Enti me meja.
Enti se man ma fa ne se normal.
Yes.
Hey.
Me se opa man styles ni bi. Sentari nti ase ne slay queens anase ne side check beye. Still o ka so be chiti a. Obechiti. Enti se wako no oba.
Jackie so de kakra be so. Oso oba.
Jare no.
O de kakra be ka. Topic no ho ne age ho.
Ukuni ba.
Jare no.
Akrokro na de.
Fanisi pan mu jare no.
Yes, jare no. Yina motuom.
Ye bibia.
Se be de na she ono ankasa na tade ma no. De wudi na pe baby dasa. Yes. Because no there is nothing you can do. Opa ye ne den ye ni suban. Utimi se sano. Enti no matter how obesi akrokro be manafa.
Enti oni akosi Japan nya adwen.
Me nya adwen.
Se wontimi training ukunu. Emmodu ukunu. Ema ne meye be ma se ne awope.
Eye suban no.
Se wo training na sesa ne suban.
Na so obese san fa eye ni suban.
Yeah.
But se wo training wan fa so be dey.
Wan fa ba obetimi afa.
Enti me nya adwen.
Emema se wo be fa. Ye be fa.
Adio. Because me you can me
me so me hu bi da
bema bia no
mama me nza so
mo ye di man sa so
mama so
fi so ware o yere mo fa na chida
na se ne ye nka o TV so
da bi so ya se ye carry TV so dia na
je
na se wo
ye sa question we ye mbisa no mfa mam wo de ye pon a
na se ni bisa
emrante hini bisa uje da bi tie emrante hini o ka se me peja me nsa no minim se a chede bi na obecheche ana o ka se bazo ga ze mimpeja me nsa sa no a
eye one
emrante hini ebisa sa question wo fi ha up to now brownim obisa omna samwa eno kra na so obi amebo ne yiridin obisa osofo ayo de me ba me kasi asem so unim brown eno kra o mantimi ammo na o mpanfo ho no mantimi nyesa iwe amena me bepeja ka metimi aka nka metimi aye but me ya say
to me there's Skulfees be mad no matter how I be training eye ni suban
okay
se san what here me ka se be ma o nya misuro ni okwa sorry it is san nipa no o de cheating ko fata no emba
okay
onko krono onko akohwibra onye because osuro nyame eye ni suban
okay
ba be ma no ose me nkwa sorry me so me mfre nyame
so ba no betimi ateni ama wadro nyame waba nyame
obi nsi wo onkwa sorry onfre nyame onye hwe na emom ni suban ni se no ne yiri sitifie ni eye
okay
obi nsi wo ho no ba ne betweni na mana kwa sorry obi tweni na mana kwa ko fre nyame and so still
subani
ko yi subani de ene ebe kire
all right
Skulfees we bema bia obeye sa de mini so onya aware mo ni
debi
bema onya aware mo ni je no be sa
brown tie be bom no de ne dia ba dachi ma ye nhwe tackle next story my na asem we dia no eden dachi ma de ba se obe counter sa ba enya hwe so ba de
look alike
so hu black de no one share black look alike on say no o wa say no
ai
no to ni nyumba ku bi
me look alike and I don't speak against because so maybe to ya minji din when I me look alike ma minji din say see me look alike
beba she black look alike o say no that ma o say no o say ne kakra
that be but ni the way o si na won ni me on like on shut down sending mama
na luminati sem no so based on we am the man ye ne nchechire course so ba format ne backdrop any de deda ne nsa ho eno so de na be kan fa ho
school ebetimi aye
ma memfa unko fa hamra
ebetimi aye no
okay say akode de okay say akode de bai wa bra obo oni Castro nyumi a Adonai wo share video no from ya na ye bisa say enti video concept no aya na botai bi tachi ana and I think that definitely botai be tachi nya say ye ne keke say Ghana na botai tachi a abrofo omunyo omade kwa ho definitely so
omo ka no kre
enti say akode de aba akoda black odi aba na black odi en kra no on say akode oni tattoo black odi no tattoo no na ko drop ba for me tattoo sound so ayede
eno so idol
uko perform eno so sign da wachi mu ko rehearsals omo ye nyina no mu bisa oncheche bibia wo ho so ma minti wa dwentre
eno no ebetimi aye no kre
okay
because na kro be protection
and who ni say open protection won because the black odi enka ne nyum ni Ghana for we are saying na jina tun dada ka you don't need this
say aye no kra me ehun hia
say
ohun hia say obe join ni
okay
bia na okay bia no pay protection
and obe so call feather
yes me ka say when dey obi
but one say Benna boy say our pop daddy camp wakona nim bebre saying blacko but obi am be ka say Benna boy akọ join Illuminati
bia na odi asia
okay
obi an say ne osi ye ne ma fa
all right
bia ono na oya na adwen so odi besi o ma obi em but we dey why because abrofo no dey omo no mo fa na ma nsie sa
okay
omo ye like me can say
omo ye
yes plain
enti first of all
why dey at once
yeah
enyuma wo to stage so
the backdrop
it means a lot
yeah
it's no matter what omo be kasa wa join it and once said that one sound dey we chidie automatically dey wo
definitely
and me mfwane so dey
so onya sa
because already no woman mu akasa no yes said dem go si pa wa se hwe o look alike na ba yi
yeah
o ka sentika onye ni papa pa ka benya look alike
debi
unya tamana rasnene no oyi movie ana oye killer no o look alike
no ni look alike and so no
obi nti sa na etie nti mimi na mimi mfwane so dey but bia na
ne bota yentia
because ena kasa no se metie boko no be edi midin eti baabi
okay
dokase nye wusi eti bia me ni protection me ni nyame bia bia na me eti bia na ono so no nema wona munti no na me na yesa
maka
me dem hu ni sen ka Ghana de once wo woman ankasa
do so target Ghana nko a we asi nyina
ajiwa tumu de enka ehun hia
all right ye beda da chi hima se ye kotia e ho na mo mekai amanfo se Sompa recording studio aba se ye ba bebo amanfo a mo oda so se mo beye enwum ebia na wachini a wonya ba bia an record wo nyuma obetimi aba Sompa FM adwuma mu ha ye wo recording studio kama ye betimi aboa ama wa record onyum no abra otua sika kakra bi ebia na ope jingle no ye wo audio de ye bo no radio so ene ye wo video de ye bo no TV so ni nyina oba Sompa recording studio a ye bedi hu dwuma ama o se ope audio jingle ana se ope video jingle ni nyina no ye beye ede ama o afa dwuma de bi ena wo ye nso so a ana se ebia wo pe advert na wo de aba Sompa bebo eno sa ne de wo ba ye nje wo kese because wo bo wa ha ya enti companies amo pesa mu ni ye be ye adwuma ya mo dwen ho kwa mo fa so mbenya jingle no mo nso mo ba ya nkasa ye be ye jingle kama e de amamo wa bra mo betua sika kakra bi enti hye nso Sompa recording studio no e wo Sompa FM adwuma mu ha ya na ebia na wa ye wonwuma wie wo pese ye betwa video clip mawa ni nyina so ye di ho dwuma number obetimi afre no e 0260 994 387 0260 994 387 mama nko tia ho tia
the Ganes
my intio
ya che obi a wotie na me ba messages enkrofo dia mama so mo he show no
enya easy
to me say obi o ka kire mbia so he show no e bia me man shout out na
okay that's nice
stories 5 no cuz me combine
Sompa FM
2 and 3
okay
and then 1 and 4
okay
now 2 and 3 no Black Sheriff
yeah
say your era of lookalikes
yeah
yenya can promise there yenya medical there yenya Shatawali there
yeah
so many people
yeah
and Black Sheriff so look alike. Now you know one funny thing, I see pen. Your free woman be Dolly Parton.
Yeah, Dolly Parton or yeah,
Dolly
country
Rebecca Parton.
singer. Yeah.
That singer no, me look alike contest man.
Okay.
Do you know so no this guy say no who could be one winning.
Wow. Ono ankasa no this guy say no who could be
contest ni bi.
One winning.
One san winning.
Nice almost say on sell no ankasa mpo.
Obi say ono kra che ono ankasa.
Hey.
So
nice obi said Dolly Parton ankasa say ono ankasa mpo.
Obi said Dolly Parton na che ono a Dolly Parton na ankasa.
Okay.
Obi asua no enim ne niam ye che ono Dolly Parton na ankasa.
Okay.
Inti ewo ho. But I saying we have people that look exactly like the artists.
Yeah.
But more talent in new artists. No?
Definitely.
Until you could clearly see say ni face and ni figure no original on
the no
or say artist no.
Yeah.
But the name o ye no.
And sheda and no.
What I say. Until sad na wo ho.
Yeah.
Now Black Sheriff. Over here you're part of the world no.
Yeah.
Yenti greatness as it.
Greatness.
Yes.
To be great.
To be great no.
Yenti
that genuine yenti as it.
Okay.
Ode yembo artists bi omo Ghana hadia. Ya tag omo with
greatness.
Illuminati
okay.
sign name. Yes, so me Illuminati. Me kaisa some time ago. That Ilumba Bonyoma. Yes, nyom na hitia fe. Ne allege say yes so the call in Swasi.
Because so they are fin bi konu ni trim. Na oni mi ntwa no me pese me explain the word great no. Na odi 4 hours no so. Yes say of an extent, amount, intensity, which is considerably above average.
You see, how could people imagine an artist all of a sudden, as a wabe write music scene, no, or ma ubia this time obey hit no, in some way, related to or no.
Okay.
This one in a bonyum, this one in a baby, this say.
Oh yeah, starting to send in DNB.
Yes.
Okay.
Wababa elastic.
Yeah.
For any other artist. Our bonyum has say.
Yeah.
Into ama inkofo consuming the fact that the guy is great in a heading.
Yeah.
Baphomet sign. Say Muslim women used to pay the Church of Satan in America.
Yeah.
Anything church is religious.
Yeah.
Now Baphomet sign clearly. The understanding or the meaning of that is freedom from superstition and then free will.
Okay.
Ubia otiria se no peso ye donoa peso ye a onim se beso no
nani.
Ana say on peso di name bi be hihye ni trim say we wo ho before ye me we ye me no. That is the sign that represents that.
Okay.
Now people that belong to Church of Satan no, their main motive they say they are not in Church of Satan to fight Christians. So they feel Christianity as suppressing Yemabiama. Omuntu minye.
Okay.
Until when they belong to that church.
That's spiritually.
Yes.
Okay.
When they belong to that church now.
A more
that free will to be doing that.
Okay.
So anyone that has a belief in Baphomet sign and I say or giant goat
feeding,
right?
Giant.
Na bembe niti clearly is telling you say I believe in a free will. I believe in a world that devoid of superstition.
Okay.
I want to do things like my mind tells me to do.
Niema me hu ni say ye mame. Okay.
The imaginator me say adiwe ya me ye no. I say nam ne kwan so.
Okay.
And heti obi a. Inti I'm free to go this way.
Okay.
People like reading meanings into things that they don't understand. I know say Black Sheriff wabonyoma so many times wabonyankopondi.
Yeah.
But why are we saying say belong to Illuminati?
Okay.
Now there is a very good advantage of we musician near Targaryen in that way.
Okay.
Look at all the great musicians worldwide.
Yeah.
Jay-Z,
Beyonce,
Illuminati. Sarkodie, when he was having a song with Castro that period, he has the highest stream as a time I can.
Yeah.
Adonai.
That's Adonai.
And you be no highest stream in Ghana.
Yeah.
That period name near attacking is
yeah.
And if you're able to use that thing well, it really sells you. Now let me tell you one.
Now you should
Let me tell you one very simple trick. Sarkodie had a song with Ice Prince.
Okay.
Shot on shot.
Sane
friend no.
Okay.
Now any video na clearly you could see say there was a part or they were opening them.
Okay, then no share that.
Yes.
Or share that.
Video director and share that clearly. So more targeting so Illuminati.
Okay.
Let's bring in something that you feel is head devilish.
Now man for a dream rassle.
And Mark talks na koso.
Okay.
You see that kind of thing.
Yeah.
And it really sells you the artist. Into Black Sheriff, I think say the management has sat down. Empire.
Who say? Sada baby omo tag on yam fanfa.
Yes.
Let's do
it this way. Ebema talks na koso.
Yeah.
Talks na twaso koso. It is selling your music. It is selling you the artist.
Yeah.
And people shouldn't read too much meanings into that. Okay. There's a business side too.
Yeah.
Sade na nkofo hu no.
Yeah.
Until when nkofo are taking it too personal. Black Sheriff, we all know is a very good guy, highly religious.
Yeah.
And my fan say osombo nsambi.
Okay.
When people say that, what I ask myself and they say, Nyankopon to me money panya greater na.
Obetumi.
I don't know bia obe great bia I liking it.
To Baphomet.
So, yes.
Okay.
Bonsambi ne sane
and
it is not there.
Okay.
Now, the story 1 and 4, I think say and then I very sensational story.
Yeah.
Story about a wife training the husband. And a sophone say
no man is wired to cheat.
No man is wired to cheat. Say u share side way say we are scenario revolve here. Now, mother, wife, you could clearly see say men spend enough time with their friends more than their mother, and sometimes more than their wives. Upeso who be maybe subai pa. Me say me person me who subai pa. I don't really look at you.
Okay.
I look at your friends.
Okay.
Because your friends, you know,
at least you have something in common. Yeah.
They have certain things that wait me they see me.
Yeah.
But our friends, you know, when I'm dating you and I know say our friend they're into multiple dating, I know you are doing that.
Yeah.
And now they see me.
Yeah.
You get that kind of thing.
Yeah.
People don't know their partners are cheating on them. But I know a very clear sign to know this is going on is reading the friends around them.
Okay.
Because when I'm into multiple dating, probably make a trade that change say.
Yeah. See
first you know. Because when we have multiple dating, you know, be some partner.
Yeah.
Say
they don't know. Yeah.
Omunim so me ekuo, omunim so ekuo no join. Omunim so no kwa.
Yeah.
But say prank biaba social media oh ha na abetena nchen say o partner. Ye friend no abo udin ni ahese.
Wa obebo udin a.
The Ganes.
Yeah.
Ombusa nipa 100
yeah.
99.
Obi abo wrong name. Mahwe ba ku bi kura na gan nko yesu.
Enti me dem sis document wo no mo de saade ne ba. Me sorry free.
I don't know sorry.
Oh, me.
Why are not go wrong name?
Any wrong name pa me bono.
But on pass simple.
Clearly you could see say a wife will need too much influence on a husband these days.
Yeah.
Now, me, when somebody says I love you, I tell people, meanings are not in words. Meanings are in people.
Oh, yeah.
The words that we use don't carry meaning in itself.
Yeah.
When somebody says I love you, Busano, the meaning of love no culture. No. Okay. Some people's love could mean last.
Yeah.
Maybe I love you, no patch say last.
I last for you.
Maybe I love you, no patch say like a platonic. I want to spend
some
a lot of time
with you.
Nothing sexual involved.
That's it.
Tell yourself, say, me love language in it. So if I'm looking for a partner, I look for a partner of fitting my love language.
No.
Me, I won't look for a woman. I feel that me kwako shave, you know.
Okay. It
is the standard.
Once Diana Brown what can the once I said.
Oh, the Brown can. Why should you grow? Why should you grow and not know how to shave yourself?
Yeah. Why? Oh, they know.
But no, they know. But me say, you see, what I'm saying is very personal. It's personal in the sense that I know it's a Star Brown be treaty.
Different from what?
Okay. Me kofa ballistic semi.
Okay, you are
me through home.
Okay.
Me ko tiatia oba me ne te say collate bed.
Okay.
Go and wash utensils.
Okay.
You know, certain things are shared responsibilities.
Okay.
Apart from oba carry
akra
yeah. Bema can lay bed.
Yeah.
Bema can cook.
Yeah.
There are certain things that you don't have to leave it to
oba
because when you look at that gender, first near Phyllis say man in Nimaduane no apa.
Yeah.
My friend be on Adriane ho.
So
one here won't do Adriane.
Hey.
You see that kind of thing.
Hey, that's him, man. No. Okay.
When you look at all that, like you could clearly see, say, the perfect relationship that will be for you, and it's say you going in for someone of fete or love language. Who do love? So won't pay cheating. You could clearly get someone on pay cheating.
Good.
But me mom, they are not the type na me call
Sompa FM.
Okay.
Me
but type now we call for be how.
Yes. Unse
to come mama type ni kakra na say we be see.
Remember the type how Brown unse remember the type any who ma approach you.
Oh yeah.
A man so the type remember ni who ma approach you.
Yeah.
Into the rate a man sembe ha be me bi no. Ono an ko fato no so.
Yeah.
But meme ha oba de a member na they call ban
so yeah.
You get that kind of thing.
Yeah.
Joba work committed relationship with him say, I don't want this. Me when I ask for your number and you give it to me, I call one step.
Yeah.
Because if you're into something committed, as someone wrote on I saw a graffiti somewhere, or so chat will be when you write a message and the person responds by saying, I have a boyfriend. You can win.
Yeah.
Because the people that are into committed relationships, they won't even reply you. You get that kind of thing.
Yeah, that's true. Maybe. Come find the number and the crowd.
You want to tell me you have a boyfriend? I'll ask you, don't you want a husband? Because I want something.
Yes. Yeah, so and now my mom first lines back. One lie.
Oh yeah. So you
Brown attract.
No, you clearly know. And now you know one thing.
Yeah.
Man, there is one thing that they don't know. That's in Martin and America. You see, we are bar.
Yeah.
Na be me be a pewa fashion trim say. Bema no na aseme the change the on it.
Okay, yeah.
It is very true.
Good, but why are they OTI?
Bema be
man fast or tremba.
I'm telling you, the on it.
Why are they
Why are they not now?
Yeah, you go food Mauda. Yeah.
Me share na me who so I try to start and I me who say you are not in a good mood. Na me be sound now cast for a boy. I will be asking myself, nice girl to say na ask for boy you
say.
And then a nice girl to say na boy me can say me.
No the vibes
never thing say Bema no boy no or a very good change on the
what if someone
one thing that you should ask that man and say I don't know what they say. Now we are single because one sugar a good
Debbie.
Sugar go auntie.
Wow. By your mom say matia.
You see that kind of thing.
See vibes na no dey.
So you clearly see say you are not who you are claiming to be.
Yeah.
Just say you want to have something with me into what can be now they are
sure. Obia
or yeah a pan at my age won't be single.
No.
Oh, your woman won't allow you to be single if you are very good as you are claiming to be.
Yeah.
And these are all traits that women should know. Because if you don't have that kind of thing in your head, me, when I take a woman, the only thing I do to her is say, I train her mind. I want to train your mind to the point, say, when any man is speaking to you, whatever you're doing with any man, everybody will say, no, I have a manner equally yourself.
Yeah.
And then maybe like on your mechiana, won't allow money. So equally, I won't do the same thing to him.
Yeah.
If you don't have people that will give you this matching energy, you're not in a relationship. So if you have people like, and for a Jenny cheating, na man, people think that cheating and sex. Cheating,
there's more to that.
Product is sex. But cheating is when you start sending text messages, you
pictures,
delete them, you hide to make phone calls, you hide certain people deep down your heart. You could clearly read
because Angela Crania and the carpenter.
But
Juliana near no plumber.
We status near had no posting any different.
What's that?
You see that kind of thing. Says man, if you don't have someone obe matching energy, always obe say like there's nothing like love or people can clearly love you.
Yeah.
To the point say you'll be even asking yourself, say, hey, what did you do to deserve that?
This love, yeah.
Now merit is hard and because say sometimes I was telling someone the other day, say, you see, we have something that we call pistanthrophobia. People have been in relationships where they were cheated.
Okay.
They have been in relationships that you let them down after giving their all.
Oh yeah.
So when they meet people like Omo genuinely to love them,
they don't
they
give it back.
They still have the fear in the past. Say,
yeah. We cry and say not the me.
And so big John guns down to love you like the way you want to love and me.
And as it your work and so
me have been in that situation.
My
biggest problem in relationship is before I even start a relationship with someone, you're tagging me.
Say Tia suffer.
No, you're tagging me.
So you suffer.
No, you're tagging me. Say.
And say me name tag no ntina me dey suffer.
You're tagging me. Say this guy obey say.
Beza wa oka.
Fresh into the woman.
This guy obey say.
Odi Tia nim say me be come on o ma.
Yes, it's see.
En say jeni ben.
See, obi a friend me say send Tia si kasa no. On worry ya.
That's it. Send na me ken. Okay. And I'm over Tia into so. Aha.
Enti Skulfees I don't know
okay.
Read your love language, know exactly what you want from your partner.
Yeah.
And look around. You'll get someone or fit into Sadena open. And yes, Ebi a won't pay obi cheaty.
Okay.
O buy a cider. You had a bedu.
Yeah.
Ebi a won't obi a be loyal to you. Oko brown ha.
What did they do?
The open unya. Inti ye wadwene ye. Uni na ma obenya obi a. Aha. Ketesa.
Yeah.
Enu manu ko du sa uni pakro na make love ana maye bibi ansa na ba bedu ho say like or the messy when our man who kind of could do.
Yeah.
Me say me the type of when he cheat on me, when I'm into something very committed to you and he cheat on me, me fan chow. Because anyone that forgives in cheating, no, is probably cheating too.
Good.
Because
That's
what come my head and say, be and people have been in situations how been common for labor, but they stood for their partners.
Yeah.
But don't call ya no about the patch out. No. The last thing that I want to talk about.
Okay.
Tina Turner.
Yeah.
Unim. I was discussing this week with someone.
Okay.
No, so who pakro. These are great people. Omuye music, no.
Yeah.
Your era, no. Yeah. And shada mami to music. I think the last major hit.
Yeah.
Was somewhere in 1995. Golden Eye.
Okay.
Now, one thing that will make you know that Tina Turner is a very good. When him say Fat Joe ni Ashanti Onyumbi, What's Love?
Yeah, What's Love?
That is a song that she did in 1984.
Okay. Wow.
And umbe repeat Fat Joe ni Ashanti.
Okay, that's What's Love got to do. That's and your boy. What's Love got to do with a broken heart?
Tina Turner, no?
Yeah.
The same song na ne refix and a Fat Joe ni Ashanti be boy.
Yeah.
And you know that song ne akake to be na do over 900 million views on YouTube.
Yeah.
Nelly, Annie Kelly. Dilemma.
Yeah.
Almost one copy from Tina Turner.
Wow.
All these things should be telling you, say, that was a great woman.
Yeah.
I know Yenyum. Now, Nenyum no. 1995, wako break akra.
Yeah.
You say you're in Tanton and Kebi.
Yeah.
People are looking at the fact, say, why is Tina Turner there? As a Abe Global News.
Oye super.
That woman is super.
Yeah.
Oye above super. I think she's
one of those people. I can't.
Oh, besuya dio.
Yeah.
She do buy no man for beating drums, learning like African culture and the way I treat you. These are people that are more dedicated to music.
Yeah.
So when they die, we should celebrate them.
That's it.
Into Martina Turner, R.I.P. Music lover be our worldwide piano.
Yeah.
I know say how, but we wish we get a good replacement like Tina Turner.
Yeah.
There are no
me da say Tia, Yamin Shroud. Brown. O counter bibia 1 minute bi wo ho.
Wa kan nyina but mamin ko Black Sharif dia no.
Okay.
Our more target is Illuminati no.
Okay.
Un say this guys, your musicians say you wo mo kroma no. Omunim ways and means omudi benya your friends a platform no.
Yeah.
What I say. And to be their brand no, it takes years to be their brand.
Yeah.
Black Sharif no abro.
Wabre pa.
You chrome ha na yet no. So we start bibi from scratch now. Omo nkan. But the moment I will say oko anim no, no person mo ya dey bi no mo do be see position bi sign. What I say?
Okay.
I know say I dey o mo ye. E ye planting me say me this for ye ni momo. And ye nim de o betimi aye.
Ba won say we Baphomet na eda ne nsa ho na chi so.
Yeah.
Nti
who say ebe ade metu say da ne nsa ho eda na chi. Nti me en create bibi nso wa chire.
Na mfa.
Because every day some people wo mo person mo din ba yira o.
Oh yeah.
O person every day bia ne din wo sister nim.
That's it.
Especially ye nua French Shatawale. Who say Shatta o ho no abeka.
Wa ya de bi. Okay.
Nti tem bia ne din wo sister nim. Tem bia ne din wo sister and the rate at which ye nua Bra Sheriff e ko no. Me say okọ ni say ya. Artist of the year no obejia because who's a guy no very good.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, very good.
Very good. Osanso ya humble. Bisa na asem o radio na say TV o.
They onya abotrecheche mu no. Okay.
So copy UTV, who's a question o mu bisa raba. Ono ne Sakode. How was
explain yeah.
Obi anko be kase anyhow.
Yeah.
So what means a guy here or talent anya media man no. Mama ye ko fa bibia anko.
Embe tag no.
Man just ye ko clinical ya te say the ye ya.
Sana Ebony ewu ya.
Ye ni atikom ye si Ebony say
Ghana youth.
Owu ye nya asofofo o mo ko na yi ase. E o ka say Ebony nyom no hwe papa ni no mo pe.
Yeah.
Wo say nya atwom okroma o. Nya atwom no e wo
kroma. Hey.
Nipa na started from scratch ni e be supporting.
Yeah, support owu ya.
Yeah, killing the career. I remember I said me started radio, me cooking tapo some kobo radio.
Okay.
Since I cried say my kese.
Okay.
Me drew a nam kobo after drive.
No I say buffalo. Ye pon abeba no ahwe no.
Na me kitikiti bo. Me drew am de me tire adwuma ras Why na eba yi? Omo si we dey about was. Radio timi me na me say boss, wo dey ma me 10 minutes. Na me na me drive control na cha me scratch pa me started say me kasa pan say hey sa gwai
enye easy ko ya kan wa all right Brown mama yenko ahoma na so na atiefo ne ahwefo so mfo madwenkyere emra 0551 931 931 0548 931 931 nemo meka mo se nyame ya domo a bosumi a ye besi mu yi ye start a mizo rap battle no ewo entertainment show no so enti ye ba na ye first segment na ye kwa awie ye no every week ye benya 2 rappers ewo fie ha chese ombe battle na ye judges no TI boys wayo simo dachi ma mu nyina wa ha Brown so wa ha na ya hwe de obo ne homoden na ye kɔ ne saa kɔpem sɛ ye benya nipa ba ko a ye be crown as king of rap ewo Ashanti region enti ye be point the number bi beto dwa oje di se onim rapper obefrɛ na onim payinfo adi nkomo ye be invite to our studio na afi wa be kyerɛ obobre enti yenko ahoma no so 0551 931 931 0551 931 931 0548 931 931 0548 931 931 obetimi do message afa Facebook making kind amao obetimi aba ahoma no so na yetie wadwenkyerɛ hello me ba cho within baby akasa free
patrol the station with the vision
there
Mafia
Mafia na ho te sɛn
News wame all an intel fair
Mafia ma yentio
we check you ni nyina na me fa tia asem pe ni pa you ni nyina
omu nyina
ye Martina tena dem ni fa die
aw
ya 73 bale die ye be kai ne pa o ye hero pa go sa ye international super duper
yeah
ye be kai ne dia
okay
ye chia mu nyina na akose ka on die asema o kamere ne nya adwene kura so de nyame fo ene isle go fo le betie na asem na nya so ame kotoko ha ne ye plan say ene betie okay go fo me ma ba we ne papa nya ne fe nti obi a sole ya na wo ye de ofe nti no de obeka ne de on fan ko isle go fo me da mase ma ba ye.
Yeah, hello.
Me ba cho dini baby akasa free.
Ba cho for me Martin, me kasa free Sankore.
It's Martin Yetio.
Me chira chiefo ne mo kre oni nyina. Yeah.
Martin Mantie TV no Yetio why?
Me ba cho madum TV now. Yeah. Black Sheriff asem na o mo keka no. Yeah, best try Ghana for. Omususu and Kake boy no cha. Boy no cha. Womana Americans many Nigerians na whiskey the money those woman Ghana for boji omusuno. Omo ye start to be gugu and we are not talking about it. Yeah there. Yes, me and Kelebo and spirit. Me and Kelebo and spirit. Why? I'm here internet.
All right. Medasi Bibri. My main message we say 2 p.m. Asante Mampong. I'm really enjoying the show live from Mampong. Greetings to WO1 Amuzu, WO1 Innocent of Central Command Kumase. Every 2 p.m. Mampong. Kwajo Ousu GMD. I say God bless you, Sompa and Feast. Or the free Libya and by Ben Amwa. I say you are right, daching him. Some men need beatings. Eish. I see Jay-Z cheated on Beyonce. All right, Yamfa call away. Hello.
Hello. Good evening.
Good evening. Me pacho dini baby okasa free.
Miss Kasase wakwa.
Okay, mpacho yetio.
Pacho, me dey say, me see you na me mama good by. Za la dey enkwada na me mpasa, but me huwa. Me di estima community hundie, e dey so more rare, e dey so more rare oh. Nti me hwesa dey na ba akọ kan kwa me me box no kwa ma. Dona na me di asa no kwa chi. So
ne boxer shorts no ma dona de don meti.
Baby ku na baby me see. E ti ni sukura. E wlade. So what no so say. O continue over the life in your tele. Ya yo. Now, Sophie, I'm not the enemy. Pick my address. Oh, as with me, and
I think I'll bet you see now in Atna. All right. Yeah, that's it. Hello.
Hello. Good evening.
Would you baby Alcaza free?
But your family, Mr. Free.
All right. Entry for who ye?
But I'm not doing a warning.
All right. Here, Tio Minia.
But your Pacific Black Shire Fish, you know.
All right, here too.
You know, religion, maybe it's a religion association. It is a religion association. Suppose yeah, quite sorry. Christianity, Muslims, new winning them. Obia any association.
Yeah.
It's so you see say an association. Our Papa Jenny, a UK manner. I think he's free to go.
Okay.
You need the right path. Say, yeah, you can hear someone only the right path and therefore Australian, but no one knows.
Okay.
But yet, tagging judgment, you will know of. I think you know a very bad thing.
All right.
You know, then for me, just a judgment, you know, not that sheriff, and yet your person, and the business, no, and running life.
Okay.
Support the Ubian Famano. That's my opinion for now.
All right. Thank you so much for calling. Hello.
Hello.
Me bacho wudini baby Alcaza free.
Me bacho me din di akos me ka se just jam.
All right, akos yetio.
Me bacho me need that himaya aje pa.
Efa de ho.
Efa mbema na. Say what say fire ho aje say do be ni bia no. Okoba no ejare no. No one for what they boko. That's what they say. Madam, say Hosana, my fan.
Oh,
is that the mayor? And you let Munja in them. One will say, Madam, say home, my fan is out. Cover any medal and my fan. It was some Subaram, one more. Madam, I say, Madam, my address.
Yadama say hello.
Hello.
Maybe I would need baby Alcaza free.
I'm from Saturday. I just like my food.
All right, Saki, it's you.
That's my small kind of
me say Sak.
Because me give me example.
Okay.
Me am worry.
Okay.
The one me no perfect.
Okay.
After say we never be see.
Okay.
It do me the me bakwa we nyare. But you do na fa, bit me get the polish my say e kokal my elite.
Hey.
And so no baba no. Oh yeah, my break, no the other. And it did the name to be con.
Hey,
I feel like you are not saying more.
And I know that.
But you know, you are not more. Indonesia. I would madam Jimmy is how Timber must more bunting. But only two things will be at home.
Oh,
And our leg.
Okay.
nti that is one me nya adwene o ma da ba kuna sem na o ka no o ma ni sua
yeah
o ma ni sua na be boa mani sua o mu sua be boa be ma o ne tinye tin
yeah yeah that's it yemfa call we hello me ba cho wudi ni baby akasa free
me pa cho friend me afantie de me kasa free appear di kokobin
okay me ba cho yeti o
eye black leaf se ma for kan it's red Ghana for
okay
Ghana dey say obia nye ye me mfa ni nyam na nyamega
oh
bia obi ye bia no na ye di kwa kwose nsam bi agency na o man no yes ye gini sa nso de bia shere gu asore dem ni ese ye sum Nyankopon na me shi ye ni munya de Nyankopon shi obi so ni munya ma ni na ye sa kwa ko Daniel ya kwa ko se no akoji ezo mo mi anti ase se bi ne Kristo so nko ni Nyankopon so mo obi o kwa be fa so ni nyame eye Nyankopon bi tie ni so nti ye so mo ni mo Kristo fo ni nyaatronfo wo Ghana ha no so obi ye ya mo mi fe ni mo nyam eni nkan fo mo Nyankopon ni me pedi ye mo enye bontam de damase
yenso ye da se yemfa kola bia biem yemre na so brown obeche obi anse akọ
chama jana ye be do mu nyina ase unse de ye ka no ye nyina ye sua ade se wate ase ye nua ma da chi mo kama no no sresre
na ni age
mo sua ha wa mbesi akrokro mema enu eboa o wa na oje wa ware ebi ni se papa yi ka se oba ni nwale so dwale a obedi nti o nwale kwa no aba ho
haya bonti
se obedi men kan he
obedi ka bone
ana wo dwale obedi nti o dwale kwa no aba ho de nti na mana ba ne sa nti e be sre ma me ntia honabo abanga oya incoming MP obi agina tum e wa nchi wa suje ma sem krome tia ne pa sa nso na obedkeja ne ya menu Tricia Titi ene abusuanka ni na me ma me madam Tiwa tia Samuel
daje ma yenti we
mechia obi a otie ye bia
okay
eno obi a ofre ye bia ofosu nyima mechia ukunu nso maka kire no me do number ma no be fra
pepe ti anya protocol ti protocol we dia enye small protocol
Sompa Xtra
all right ti chado for ni enko
mechia me sugar mommy bi
okay
sugar mommy ma no nsi so I be before so by no sugar mommy be metia our friend me sa
okay
when money back
there be
a friend Janet
okay
me mama me sugar mommy no metia no and I'll catch him so be hear me
okay
and I'm metia lady be or electoral commission Angela and also warning or the man me say no be
or how it is one you asamato
e do be aseso tie so
all right me da say mabeja for Nyankopon nhira mo me di Michael Donko me so mechia me wife ono so hwe ene me mba no ba no mo ye dadi nti no sa na tie Nyankopon show bi bia out me frɛ mo so mo ntimi an frɛ Nyankopon yad me gidi say next week akwanya beba na mo so ma frɛ juma die ye de bremo Saturday bia 4 to 6 ente ya na wa hye nso ekodo da bi na de wa fide nto na wa hu ya e bia beti say commentary ekoso emane how the next week no ye de Sompa Xtra ebe bremo me need Michael Donko ubetimi afrɛ me Skulfees the Gunners and Brown ebe kan ye ho Mr Brown sanso na dachi nyima na afei ti wono be kan ye nyina on nya protocol ene ti next week ya mama protocol no ebi nso am ebi mo so nze me de ebi nti anadachi ma bi be so me so no problem nze didi jaso de animu na nenam be normal all right ti I can go mic ni all right senti ye DC na ya dane e ho ama news team no nso abeto aso nemom